Hi, I'm Baptiste from Azumuta, and today I will be showing you how to make less mistakes in your factories. So I made a product order with two variants, so variant version 5 and variant version 4. And so depending on the variant, the operator needs to pick another version of the part. And so there a lot of mistakes are being made. And here we added scanning verification, and if the operator scans the wrong part, he will not be able to proceed. Let's have a look how it works. So first I scan the order, like this, and I see what part I should pick immediately. So let's pick the wrong part. So this is version 4, this is version 5. Let's continue to the next step where I should scan the part. I scan the part and I see here in red that I'm not able to proceed. Let's redo this and scan the correct part, like this. And now I can proceed with my work instruction. It's as simple as that. And now let's have a look how we configured this in Azumuta. So here I have my work instruction, and I can clearly see that I have a couple of steps. So I have pick a Raspberry Pi, version 4 and version 5, then pick the part and scan the barcode, and then put the part on top of the black mounting plate. So first of all, I have one work instruction for the several types of product configurations, and I can see that I have a separate variant for the Raspberry Pi 4 and for the Raspberry Pi 5. So that's easy. We are using variants to display different visual work instructions. And so depending on the order, we will show the first step or the second step, and only that step, so the operator can't make any mistakes. Then as a second part, I scan the barcode and I go to step 3 here. And if I go to the check configuration, I can see that we are entering a barcode. But if I go down, I see that I'm comparing the value that's being scanned with a parameter that's coming from the product order. So on the product order, the variant is specified. It's called Raspberry Pi version, and we will compare the version with the barcode that's being scanned. And it's also required to be equal before submitting, which means that if we scan the wrong part, the operator won't be able to proceed. And of course, we have a full traceability of the product order. If we go to product orders in Azumuta, like this, we can see the version that was specified, and we can also see in the report who did the assembly, how long did it take to do the assembly, and the exact part number of the part that was being scanned. And that's how simple it is to ensure the perfect quality with Azumuta. More information in the description of this video, and see you the next time. Bye bye!